welcome back to my channel. I'm at Emancipation Park. I'm just sitting here, because I'm bored. I'm super bored. Nothing to do, What to do, I don't know what to do. Nothing to do at all. I just want to wait because I'm like super bored, Nothing really to do. Just want to wait, I'm at Emancipation. I'm just right here by the pool. Ain't nothing really to do. Only thing to do is really, I guess, just hang out here. I don't know anymore. I'm not going home yet, but nothing to do. Right here by the pool. I guess go around, so God bless.